quiz question for today. Here we have variable num equals to 0 and for loop, and inside a for loop we have if block. In this for loop we have variable I equals to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. In general context it will try to display the values till 1 to 9. Inside this we have an if block, if I modulus phi equality operator 0. When it will try to have the value 0, it will try to break the condition, that is if it meets the condition of if block. Next one we have num, which will try to increment the value for each for loop iteration. For the first case, that is for I equals to 1, the value will be 1 modulus phi equals to 0, so it will be false. The num value will be 0 now. It will try to increment this loop and the output will be of this code will be 4 here. Next one, in the B block we have variable num equals to 0, that's the same case, but we have continue here, so output of this snippet will be 8. Let us see how the output will be 8 and 4 here. Let us look into the code editor. See here, open in browser, first one is 4 and next one is 8. Let us elaborate the first use case. For iteration, let me put this in comments. For the iteration, let us write the first one, I equals to 1, the output of first statement, so I equals to 1, so it will try to check the condition as it is less than, so it will try to execute here, so 1 modulus 5 equals to 0, so as it is false, it will not execute. Now num value is 0 here, initially it is 0 as we have declared num equal to 0. In the next use case, if you take the next use case, if you can see, take the next use case, I value will be 2, that is it will try to increment here and it is try to check 2 less than 10, yes, so the output of this inside the if block will be 2 modulus 5. As it is false, it will not execute this block. Now the value of num will be 1, so it will try to execute this block till few permutations, that is till 5. See here, next one is 3, I value is 3 now, so 3 modulus 5. As 3 modulus 5 is false, it will not execute. Now num value will be 2. In the next for loop, I value is equals to 4 modulus 5. As it is false, it will not execute, and then now num will be incremented the previous value, that is 3, so it will try to execute like this. So last use case, that is 5, so once it is 5, it will try to break the conditions. So what happens, I equal to 5 modulus 5 equals to break, and then now the num value is 4, so we will get an output like this. For num equals to 0, num equal to 1, num equal to 2 and num equal to 3, so the output of this snippet will be 4 here. In the next snippet, if you can see in the next snippet, it follows the same logic, but in this we have the iterations. Here if you can see, it will follow with a 1 modulus 5 equal to 0, it will try to continue 2, 3, 4 and 5. It will try to skip the fifth value, so as the num value is 0 here, it will try to repeat till 9 values generally, but it will try to decrement as the 5 is skipped here, the answer is 8. So this is how